Okay, so let's move to the next option, matrices. So in matrices menu, you can find inverse of a matrix, which takes a lot of time in your exam, so it will verify your answer. And you can find the determinant of a matrix. In CIE we have 2 by 2 matrices, but when you go in higher levels you will have to solve 3 by 3 matrices. So this calculator can be used to solve matrices of 3 by 3 and even 4 by 4. We have a question here, let's see that. We have a question of May-June 2006, question 11a. We have been given matrix A and matrix B and matrix C. It says evaluate 4C minus 2A. That means we have to multiply this matrix by 4 and then multiply matrix A by 2 and subtract their answers. So this can be done directly in your calculator. So first of all, we need to go to matrix menu. Press menu and then matrices. Scroll up, you can see the fourth option is the matrices. It's here, matrices. Now we can define 4 matrices at a time. So let's this matrix be A and this be C. So I will write define matrix A 1. So they are asking the number of rows and number of columns. So we have 2 by 2 matrix. So number of rows are 2 equal. Number of columns are 2. Now the values are 1 equal, negative 3 equal, 3 equal, and negative 2 equal. Now I have defined matrix A, and now we will define matrix C. For this we must press option button. It's here, option, define matrix. Define matrix is again 1, matrix C, which is 3, number of rows and columns, they are 2 and 2. First value is negative 1, this is 0, again 0 and 1. Now we have defined matrix A and C. I will press AC button. Now on screen I need to write 4C minus 2A. So I will write 4 times matrix C. So for matrix C I will press option, and matrix C is 5. So I will press 5 and minus 2. It is better to put bracket here. 2 multiplied by matrix A. So option, and for matrix A I will press 3. As I press equal, I will get the answer. Now here, given that B equals A inverse, find the value of B. Means this matrix is basically inverse of this matrix A. So we can find A inverse easily. What we need to do, I will press option, matrix A, which is 3, and inverse. For inverse we have to press this button, equal. So we got the inverse of this matrix. Here we have the calculator is displaying answer in decimals, but if you scroll you can see the equivalent fraction here. So this is basically negative 2 over 7, and scroll 3 over 7, negative 3 over 7, and 1 over 7. Now you have to evaluate equate negative 2 over 7 to negative 2p and then solve it for p. So that is means you have to do something manually and something with the calculator directly. And now in part 3 they say find the 2 by 2 matrix X where A times X is equals to C. So we know that if we shift A over there it will become inverse. So we need to multiply A inverse by C and we will get the answer of X. So option 3 inverse times matrix C. So again option, and matrix C is 5 equal. So this is the answer of matrix X, 2 over 7, 3 over 7, 3 over 7, and 1 over 7. Let's see the questions. Easy, but I have included this question because it is asking the determinant and inverse and all that thing. So let's do this question. Okay, so we are doing this question. Suppose this matrix M, we will treat this matrix as matrix A. So option, define matrix, because if I don't define matrix, it will use the old values. 1, matrix A, number of rows and number of columns, it's 2 rows and 2 columns. The values are -1, so -1, 3, -2, and 4. So now we need to find the inverse determinant of this matrix. I will press AC. In option button, if you scroll down, because this shows that there are other options also, so if you scroll down you will see determinant. So determinant is 2. You can also find the transposition of that, but transposition is not in CIE. So determinant, it's 2. Determinant of what matrix? Matrix A, obviously. So you need to type matrix A, and since we do not have keyboard here, so I will use option button, and matrix A, it's 3 and bracket close. So determinant of matrix A is 2. Write down the inverse of M. So we can find the inverse. Option, matrix A is 3 and inverse is here, equal. So it's 2, -3 over 2, 1, and -1 over 2.